Hi guys, welcome back to PyPro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today the topic of discussion will be PhpStorm. So let's get started. So firstly I'll be introducing you to PyStorm and why to choose PyStorm. We'll be discussing regarding key features, use cases and benefits, and then we'll be going through real world success stories with PhpStorm. So what is PhpStorm? It is an intelligent IDE tailored for PHP, which is PhpStorm is a powerful and comprehensive integrated development environment, which is IDE designed specifically for PHP development. It offers an array of intelligent features that streamline and enhances the entire development process from coding to debugging, testing, and development. So why do people choose PyStorm? So PHP Storm stands out from the crowd by offering a uniquely tailored and intelligent experience for PHP developers. And here's how it empowers you to code smarter, faster, and with fewer headaches. So firstly, the code completion that reads your mind. Firstly, we have unparalleled PHP expertise. So deep understanding of PHP syntax and cinematics leads to high accurate and relevant code suggestion even in complex scenarios. Secondly, we have framework specific awareness. Seamless integrates with popular frameworks like Symfony, Laravel, and Zend, offering context-aware complication for the unique components and patterns. And thirdly, we have constant learning and adaptation. PhpStorm continuously learns your coding style and project structure, providing increased personalized suggestions over the time. Secondly, we have debugging that untangle knots. Firstly, we have robust debugger pinpoints errors with precision, navigates through code execution step by step, inspects variables and expressions in real time, and offers debugging sessions for both local and remote environment. And then we have Z-debug integration, works flawless with Z-debug, a popular PHP debugger providing advanced features like conditional breakpoints, stack trackers, and code coverage analysis. Then we have visual debugging, inspect variables and expression right in the editor, visualize data structure, and even debug JavaScript and CSS code with PHP projects. Next, we have testing and builds confidence. So built-in testing framework supports PHP unit, Behat, conception, and more, allowing you to create, run, and debug tests seamlessly within the IDE. Then we have test-driven development, which is TDD encouraged. PHP Storm's features promote TDD practices, helping you write well-tested and reliable code from the start. And then we have code coverage insight, which is visualize which parts of your code are covered by tests, identify potential gaps, and ensure comprehensive testing for code quantity. Next, we have version control that keeps you sync. Seamless integration. This is works effortlessly with Git, SVM, Mercurial, and Perfos, providing features like commit, branch, merge, push, pull, and conflict resolution within the ID. Secondly, we have enhanced code review. Review changes, compare code versions, and leave comments directly within the PHP store, facilitating effective collaboration and knowledge sharing. And then we have the advantages keep flowing, that is the refractory magic, safety, structured code, rename variables, extract method, and introduce interfaces without breaking functionality, maintaining code quality with ease. And then we have web development streamlined, built-in web servers, advanced HTML, CSS, and JavaScript support, and integrated database tools make web development a breeze. And then we have personalization at its best. Customize PHP Storm's interface, themes, key building, and extends its functionality with a vast library of plugins to suit your unique workflow. Next, what are the key features of PHP Storm? So firstly, we have smart code completion. So here are the steps how it works. Firstly, deep PHP knowledge. PHP Storm has a comprehensive understanding of PHP syntax, built-in function, keywords, and language structure. This foundation allows it to provide relevant suggestion even in complex scenarios. Secondly, we have context awareness. PHPStorm constantly analyzes your code as your type, understanding the surrounding context, including the current class, function, or method, imported namespaces and used variables, project structure, and file dependencies. Framework specific convention and patterns when working with the frameworks like Symfony or Laravel. Thirdly, we have predictive suggestion. Based on this context, PHP Storms offers a list of suggestions that are most likely to fit your needs. These suggestions are presented as your type, so you can quickly select the desired option without interrupting your flow. And then we have customizability. You can fine tune code completion to match your preferences. Secondly, we have syntax highlighting and error detection. So syntax highlighting and error detection includes visual clues for instant recognition, real-time feedback as you type, quick fixes for effortless resolution, additional benefits for smooth development. By efficiently highlighting syntax errors and offering quick fixes, PHP Storm helps you write cleaner and more accurate code from the start, identify and resolve issues quickly, reducing debugging time. Maintain a well-structured and readable code base, ensure code quality and adherence to best practices. Next, we have debugging tools. Debugging can often feel like a detective job, searching for clues and piecing together evidence to solve the mystery of a misbehaving application. PHP equips you with the tools to tackle even the most elusive bugs. So the debugger for in-depth exploration, collaboration with ZDebug inspections for productive problems solving, visual debugging for clarity, remote debugging capabilities. With PHP debugging tools, you can efficiently identify and resolve bugs in your code, understand the inner working of your application, write more reliable and maintain the code, improve your debugging skills and problem solving abilities. Next, we have refactoring and code recognition. Effortless refactoring. PHP Storms offers a wide range of refactory options to safely restructure code without breaking functionality such as renaming variables, functions, classes, extracting methods or variables, moving code elements between the files or classes, interaction interfaces, or inheritances. Then instant previews include visualize the changes before applying them, ensuring confidence and avoiding unintended consequences. And then we have safe and reliable. PHP Storm automatically updates references and dependencies throughout your code base, ensuring code integrity. Maintainable code, regular refactoring leads to cleaner, more organized, and easier to understand code, reducing future maintenance costs. Next, we have built-in testing framework. Seamless integration works seamlessly with PHP Unit, Behat, Condensation, and other popular testing frameworks. Then we have test creation and execution. Create, run, and debug tests directly within the IDE, promoting a test-driven development approach. Then we have test runner interface provides a visual interface for managing test suites, viewing results, and analyzing failures. Then we have code coverage insight. Visualize which part of your code are covered by test, helping identify areas needing more testing. And then we have test driven confidence encourages write well tested reliable code from start, reducing bugs and increasing confidence in code quality. Next, we have version control integration. So Git, SVN, and more works. It definitely works with Git, SVN, Mercury, Preforce, and other version control systems. Key features with IDE perform essential version control actions directly within the PHP Storm, such as commit, branch, merge, push, pull. View history, compare changes, resolve conflicts, annotate code with version information, collaboration hub, facilitates teamwork and knowledge sharing through efficient code review, commenting, and sharing of changes. Next, the seventh one, we have code coverage and statistic analysis. Code coverage visualization highlights which part of your code are exclusively during the test, ensuring comprehensive testing. And then we have static code analysis, inspects code for potential issues such as unused variable or methods. Types mismatches, possible vulnerabilities, code style inconsistency. Then we have early problem detection, proactive identity and addresses issues before they manifest as routine errors, improving code quality and reliability. And next we have live edit and code collaboration. Live edit for instant updates. Changes in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files are reflected in the browser immediately, streamlining web development workflows. And then we have collaborational features, supports pair programming, code reviews, and shared workspaces for efficient teamwork. And then we have remote development, enables works on projects remotely and collaborating seamless with team members. So next we have customizable interface and plugins, which is the most important as of my knowledge. So we have personalize your workspace, adjust themes, key buildings, fonts, editor layout, or match your performance and maximize productivity. Vast plugin ecosystem, extend PhpStorm's functionality with thousands of plugins for additional language and frameworks, productivity tools, version control enhancement, code quantity checks, custom workflows. Next, we have use cases and benefits. So, where are all its use and what are the benefits of it? So, firstly, we have web development with PhpStorm. We have integrated web development environment. PhpStorm offers a comprehensive suite of tools for building web applications, streamlining workflows. Then we have built-in web server, preview the test code instantly without external setup, accelerating development. And then we have advanced HTML and CSS support, edit HTML and CSS files efficiently with code completion, navigation, and validation. Then we have database integration, connect to various databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, etc. and manage data directly within the IDE. And then we have JavaScript and front-end synergy, integrates with JavaScript tools and framework for seamless full-stack development. Next, we have API development and integration, API focused features. PHP understands API development concepts and provides specific tools to enhance productivity. And then we have enhanced API request, create and send API request with ease and streamlining testing and integration. Then we have documentation generation, generate comprehensive API documentation automatically, promoting clarity and collaboration. And then we have framework specific code generation, streamlining API development with frameworks like Symfony or Laravel with tailored code generation features. Next, we have microservices and cloud architectures, containerization support, integrate with Docker and Kubernetes, simplifying container development and deployment. Then we have cloud deployment tools, connect to cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and manage deployments direct within the IDE. Then we have remote development capabilities, work on code remotely with container-based development environments, enabling flexibility and collaboration. Next, we have productivity boost for teams. We have collaboration at its core. PhpStorm promotes teamwork and knowledge sharing. And then we have code reviews, facilitates efficient code reviews with commenting and discussion features, pair programming tools, support real-time collaboration and mentorship with features for shared editing and screen sharing. Shared workspaces enable teams to work on the same code base seamless, avoiding conflicts and promoting consistency. Next, we have improved code quality and security. We have static analysis campaign. PhpStorm proactively analyzes code for potential issues and vulnerability. And then we have security checks, detect common security flaws early in the development process, preventing costly breaches. And then we have code style enforcement, enforce consistent code formatting and best practices, improving readability and maintainability. Then we have refactoring toolbox, restructure code safely to improve design and reduce complexity, enhancing code quality. Next, we have continuous learning and growth. We have built-in learning resources, access comprehensive tutorial documentation and quick start guides within the IDE. And then we have community forums such as connect to with fellow developers, share knowledge and troubleshoot issues through active forums. And then we have the plugin ecosystem, which extends the PHP capabilities with plugins for new languages, frameworks, and customization, fostering continuous exploration and growth. Next, what are some of the real world success stories which PHP will be starting with building scalable SaaS platforms with Symfony and PhpStorm. So the company name was ACME which is a SaaS startup. The challenge for them was to develop a feature-rich enterprises SaaS platform with tight deadlines and a small development team. What was the solution? Using PHpStorm's built-in Symfony support, code completion, and debugging tools, the team increased development by the 20% and reduced the bug rate by 30%. What was the impact? Delivered the platform on the time and under the budget, exceeding the customer expectation and achieve rapid user growth. Second one, we have enhancing legacy code based with refractory and statistic analysis. So the company was XYZ Bank, which is a financial institution. The challenge for them was to maintaining a large and complex legacy code base built with older PHP versions. So what was the solution? Leveraging PHP Storm's refactoring capabilities and static analysis tools, and the team improved code readability by 40% and identify and fix numerous security vulnerabilities. Next, we have boosting team collaboration with PHP and Git integration. The company's name was ABC Agency, which is web development agency. The challenge for them was streamlining collaborative and code reviews for a geographical dispersed team working on multiple projects, and the solution was implementing PHP Storm's Git integration for shared workspaces, code reviews, and conflict resolution. What was the impact? Improved communication and transparency within the team, leading to a 15% decrease in development time and a 20% increase in overall code quality. Next, we have building secure APIs with PHP Storm and Swagger integration. The company was DEF Tech, which is API development company. The challenge for them was to create secure and well-documented APIs for client integration. The solution is utilizing PHP Storm Swagger integration to automatically generate API documentation directly from the code. And then we have the impact: decreased API development time by 15% and assured complete and accurate documentation, improving client communication and API adoption. This is it for PHP Storm. Please do comment down if you have any other queries regarding this or any other topic to discuss. So if you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.